Hey, it's the nursing professor here, coming to you today to remind you of the need for your advocacy to what's happening with post-baccalaureate degrees in nursing, actually in any of the allied health careers. Because if you remember about 2 months ago, we talked about how the federal government and their big beautiful bill came up with the idea that nursing, especially post-baccalaureate degrees in nursing, were no longer going to be considered a profession. And so how that was going to be impactful on us is that if you went for a post-baccalaureate degree, then the amount of student loan that you could get was $20,500 a year. And we all know that that's just not enough in order to cover that. And so this is for all of you all who may want and understand the need for post-baccalaureate degrees in nursing and allied health. That means physical therapists, occupational therapists. That means nurses with MSNs. That means CRNAs. That means nurse practitioners. All right. So that means all of the post-grad degrees that are out there. We know we can't fund it with student loans that are $20,500 a year. And so today, you can really show your support. For the next 30 days, regulations.gov has opened up space for public hearings, and you can share your story. You can say what you feel about this, and I encourage all of you all to write something. We have to be able to continue to be funded for our education, because I'm going to tell you, diversity will go down the tubes, because it's going to be a matter of whether or not you can afford to go to school or not. And even though there are scholarships and grants and things like that available, there are just not enough to fund all of those who may want to go on, who may be needed to go on. If you want to be a nurse educator, you cannot just have a bachelor's degree. You just cannot. And so what are we going to do? Are we going to have that be so impactful that we're unable to admit students into a nursing program because there's no teachers? Okay, so please, regulations.gov, go there, make your voices heard. And even if you're a part of the public, know and your support is definitely needed. And let's show up and show out. All right, I will see you next video. Please like and share. Bye for now.